Hello, welcome to WayPay. In this video, we're going to quickly take a look at some of our plans, and you're going to see over here that we rolled out some new plans for 2024. Our new base plan, which is really for California bottled beverage recyclers, starts at $99 a month plus cloud hosting fees. We have another plan, the standard plan, which we're going to focus on this video on the features functionality of the standard plan. It starts at $199 a month as well, no money down. Just get started using our web app today. There is additional cloud hosting, accounting connectors, premium support fees, should you choose those additional features. And then of course we get into our standard, our most popular plan, which is the Pro plan at $499 a month. And then of course our advanced plan, which is an enterprise grade solution designed for mid-sized to larger companies that need an all-in-one solution with logistics, yard management, scale management, inventory management, etc. So this is kind of our big plan designed for some of the biggest environmental waste and recycling companies in the world. So let's just go ahead and focus on the standard plan. Let's go ahead and just get logged in. We're going to log into our back office. In this back office, we call it just WayPay Online. Let me go ahead and just get into the software itself. So this would be your daily activities. You would log in. You could see that you've got a cash drawer already open. You can kind of see some activity here. And then this is where you would, as an administrator, you would manage all of your products that you'd be purchasing, any of your products or services that you're selling. You would manage your entire customer database here. We're going to take a look at that as well. We're going to get into creating tickets. We're going to create at least one ticket in this demo, so stand by for that. This is our complete report engine, so we have quite a few ingrained embedded reports, full inventory system, full accounting solution, AP and AR accounting. We've got formula price sheets and sales contracts and agreements, and so much more built into this. But let's just go ahead, for the sake of keeping the video short, we're just going to go ahead and create an inbound ticket. And I'm going to say create new ticket. From here, we have some options of selecting a customer. We have the options of selecting from a contract or an agreement. For this case, I'm just going to select that, and we're going to go in. Now I could select if there was a hauler. I could put their truck number here, if there was a trailer. So we do have the ability to select from any haulers that might be on there like this, so that when we open the ticket, we'll already have our customer, we'll already have our trucking company on there, and now we've got a ticket that's open. At this point, we can hit the plus button, and you could start by selecting a service location if that's important to you, if your company uses service locations. Prices can be driven at the service location level as well. But at this point, we're just going to go ahead and put a product on there. It doesn't matter what the product type is, but we're just going to take cut copper number 1, and you're going to see that that truck already had a pre-weighed tear weight. That could be a feature that you use or override, so you don't need to use that one. But let's just say we've got 5,000 pound gross, 2,000 pound tear, and we've got our 3,000 pound net at $2.30 per pound. And so we could just save that. If we were done with this line item, we could make notes and make other things. So you can buy by the pound, buy by the count, and you can just continue to keep moving on. Now the system does have the ability to add images if you need to add a gross image, a tear image, and we have a bunch of other images as well over here to the side. So a little bit about the ticket screen page. You can notice our customers, our hauler, our vehicle. You're going to notice that we're on ticket 6582. We're not using our new lot tracking feature. We could split this ticket into multiple tickets if we needed to. But at this point, we're just kind of looking. You can see here that we've got some copper that came in that we're purchasing, came in from this location. So you can see existing tickets, so you can run multiple tickets at the same time. You could cash this out if you want to cash this out. I'm just going to go ahead and open up a cash drawer for this location, and I'm just going to go ahead and put $1,000 in the cash drawer. We're going to open up cash drawer number 2, and we're going to go back. What that does gives me the ability to pay out cash. So you can see here I have $6,900 in cash to pay out, or I can choose check, wire transfer, accounts payable. If I want to park this, pay it later, or combine it with other accounts payable transactions, pay to credit card, or I could mark this as an internal payment if I was just making maybe an inventory adjustment, something like that. But we'll just go ahead and click accounts payable, print, finish, and then you'll notice that it goes ahead and gives me a ticket. I can then hit my printer, print that off, we're done with it. So this is just one of our standard templates that you see. If I close this, you'll notice that we're back on the ticket screen, ready to create a new ticket. We can review or reprint the ticket if we need another copy, or I can go back to my ticket search. So on my ticket search, you can see that here's that ticket that we just paid. You can see that we do track all the images associated with tickets, the customers associated with tickets, the time and the date that they were started and ended, etc. So there's quite a bit of feature functionality in creating tickets. So you'll notice that any of our sales side tickets where we're selling our services or selling our products, reducing inventory or just selling a service, you can see here that they are marked in red, and green is our inbound purchasing. And this system does have inbound invoicing as well, so that we can receive inventory while charging customers. So quite a bit of functionality in our creating our inbound, our outbound tickets, managing our cash drawer. You can see here that we can go into our first cash drawer, we can go into our second cash drawer. So full cash drawer management, and then again our full report engine is pretty simplistic. You can open up a report, select the date range, select the location. So it is multi-location, keep that in mind. If you have multiple sites that you need to service and you want them all collected into one online back office, this is what WayPay specializes in. But we have cash flow reports, end of day reports, profit and loss reports, just all kinds of different reports that get into the reporting, state reports, inventory reports, you know, a lot of feature functionality in here. If I just go in and look at our inventory, and let's just say we drop over to batteries, we can see under batteries how much on-hand inventory we have, what our average price was, and if we were selling this at this here, you can see we're not carrying any margins yet for this product. I think I can go to brass and maybe there's some that are set with a margin. So you can see here how we're carrying 146% margin in this product. So it will track both your purchases, your cost of goods, your freight, impacting those costs. You can see the freight here. So it is a full inventory system that allows you to manage your inbound, outbound inventory. So keep in mind that WayPay, so advanced, it's simple.